Welcome to December 2025. Here we are in our new office, in our new studio. This will be the first time we get to do this from the new studio. Want to start off with thanking y'all for a great year. This has been an interesting year. We had a new presidential administration come in. I know the markets were roiled initially with the tariff issues that have gone on, but they seem to have played out, at least to date. I know there's still some court cases on some of that, but the market has been interesting this year. After a drop in the early spring, the markets rebounded largely due to AI, artificial intelligence stocks. And the tech stocks have dominated in many ways. The S&P today hit 6,900, just crested 6,900 a few minutes ago. So the market continues to go up, although the Fed has given us 3 rate decreases so far this year, none expected for the rest of the year, as they just announced the December cut. So we're not sure how that's going to portend for 2026 because the rate cuts factored into a lot of the stock market buoyancy. There tends to be a debate in the Fed whether there's any more coming. We'll see. As we look at the bond market, the bond market tends to be smarter because it's so much more complicated than stocks. And the bond markets, because the 10-year Treasury is up over the last 3 months, went down the last couple of days, but over the last 3 months has been up. That's a signal that people are still unsure about inflation. And the 10-year Treasury factors into bank loans, car loans, things like that. So it's really important for the economy. So as we look forward into 2026, we're seeing at the end of this year, the tech stocks start to get battered. AI is still a big question about what impact it's going to have on the long run. And with a little more dovish approach from the Fed in 2026, we'll see how the market goes. But as we look at things at Sound Income Strategies, we're taking all that into account. Those that are invested for income, our bond portfolio is doing well. So all in all, we'll keep in touch over the market, but it's been an overall good year across the board. Want to thank everyone for their recent participation in our Toys for Tots for the Marine Corps program. And we had a great party, had a lot of people bring toys by even when they couldn't make the party, but we had made it kind of into an open house for the new office. And if you haven't seen the new office, we'll be reaching out to you to do a review to come see it. I want to take this time to remind everybody the holidays are all about family. They're all about friends. It's all about getting back in touch with what's most important. And those things are those that you love the most. From me and my team here at Retirement Income Source, we want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And we look forward to seeing you in 2026. Thank you.